How to troubleshoot Roblox login issues on your phone or computer. So it can be frustrating when you can't log in. First, you need to check the Roblox server status by searching for Roblox server status. For that, open your Chrome application, search for status.roblox.com and go to its official website. And if the servers are not operational, you'll have to wait for them to be fixed, which usually does not take long. If all systems are operational, you can retype your login information and delete what you've typed and re-enter your username and password carefully in your Roblox account. And if you're currently using your username, try logging in with the email or phone number associated with your account instead. If the above steps do not work, you can click on forget password or username and you can recover your account using the connected email or phone number. And if it is the app's issue, you can tap and hold onto the Roblox application, tap on the eye icon in the top, scroll down, select storage, then click on clear cache. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again, or you can also try uninstalling it and then reinstall it on your device. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.